welcome to Inspire for Travel. My name is Wemba Imani, and today I'll be exploring Tanzania, and we'll be going to the fish market here in Kivukoni. Ferry. We'll be going and check out the fish market, and I'm here with my brother. Brother, habari gani? Safi sana. Unaitwa nani? Abubakari. So Abubakar is his name, and he'll be taking us around here in the fish market. What's the name of the fish market here?
Ferry,
yeah? All right, so
yes. Ferry Market.
So katika Kiswahili, soko la samaki. Okay, so in Kiswahili it's known as like soko la samaki, and it means the market of the fish. So let's explore today. Yeah. Twende, let us go. Yeah. So this is the entrance of the fish market here in Kivukoni.
Yeah.
And you can see you can of course buy fresh fish, and you can also prepare your fresh fish as well here. And you can buy fish to eat, and you can buy it fresh for you to take home. So this is the fish market here.
Yeah, fish market.
Yeah. So do a lot of people come here to buy fish?
Yeah, long people there.
Okay.
There's many people.
Okay.
Check your fish.
Okay.
And they go to for sale.
For sale.
Straight.
Okay.
Poster other somewhere.
Other somewhere.
Yeah, other place.
Okay, so you're saying you can buy a lot of fish here. A lot of people come here to buy fish to eat, and they take it to other places. After buying it, they may go home to prepare it. They may take it to their businesses and different things. Other. Okay. Fridge, yeah?
Yeah, for samaki.
Samaki. So that's these ones here. Okay. So the white boxes you're seeing are actually like mini fridge. I'm okay. How are you? Thank you. Yeah. So these white boxes you're seeing are actually like fridges.
You see a fridge?
Yeah.
Yes, do you see?
Yeah. So this is where you'll see a lot of local people coming out to buy fish, and a lot of people. It gets very busy, and it opens from around 7 till 6. From 7 till 6 o'clock on a daily basis here in Tanzania. So what we do now? You walk down there. From there. Up. Barafu, ice. So you can see this here is actually barafu in Kiswahili, and that means ice. So this is where they'll put ice in the fridge to keep it more fresh. So this is the real streets here of Tanzania. This is what the fish market here is like. Fish, many fish. In Kiswahili, samaki mingi sana. Meaning many fish. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, indeed.
Big fish.
Big fish, small fish, all of them. But let's go this way.
Hey, but is it? Kwenda kwanza ofisini kwanza tuendelee sana.
Ni sawa?
Yes, sir.
So this is
These are fridges.
okay. So these are the fridges in which some of the fish are kept here in the local market. So that is what it looks like.
That is headed fish.
Yeah. So what Abu Bakr is saying here, you will get different types of fish. Samaki mbali. Different types of fish can be found at this market here. Yes. Yes, a crab. Okay. What happened? So this is a crab fish here. Okay. Yeah. So. Changu. Katika Kiswahili inaitwa changu. So this fish is called changu in Kiswahili. In English it's something like big jack's fish, you know. All different types of fish are here.
Watu wanauza chini huko ndo wanavua, twende chini.
Okay, sawa. Hapa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the baskets they put the fish in as well.
Yes.
Oh.
Small fish.
Small fish, yeah. Oh, kama mchele.
Yeah.
Kama like mchele. Oh, kweli. So this is the beach side.
Beach side.
Ferry
beach.
Ferry beach.
Yeah. Fiber, you know fiber?
Fiber.
Yeah.
Okay.
Small boats. Like this.
Okay, so Abu Bakr, I mean, what you're saying is this part here where they will come and bring the fish in the morning?
Yeah.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning. Every morning.
So kila asubuhi, they will bring the fish to happen?
Every day.
So yeah, so every day they'll be bringing the fish here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're bringing some there.
So Abu Bakr, do a lot of people come here to buy fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Many people.
Okay, so
yeah, if you drop to wake up in the morning,
okay,
you do this area.
Okay.
Because you take your fish and you go for sale.
Yeah, so many people come here to buy fish, especially in the morning time, in the weekends. So it's a very popular market here in Dar Es Salaam, Tanzania. Yeah. And you can see the ferries are all around us. People are selling fish on the beach, and you can see all those small boats.
This is small.
Yes.
Small.
So those are the boats that they will be coming in to bring the fish in. Okay, let us walk. And then okay.
I need a smoke cigarette.
Sawa.
No,
yeah. Come on now.
When it gets down.
Hello.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, and how are you?
I'm fine.
That's good.
Welcome here.
Thank you so much. So do you sell here every day? Kila siku?
Tupo.
Okay, sawa.
Anauliza kila siku mnauza hapa?
Ndio namwambia tupo kila day.
So they're selling things like cigarettes and sweets and everything here, you know? Yeah.
Sisi tutaenda kule minazi mikini.
Okay.
Now call minazi mikini.
Okay. That's the name of the place.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Name of the place.
Okay, sawa. So this is a village right over there, and you get a lot of fishermen and different things that come from that side. And you can see in the distance down there, that is the boats that they use to go out and get the fish, and obviously come to this side to sell at the fish market here. Right now I'm actually being escorted by one of the security here in the fish market. So if you're coming here to film, it's good if you can come with a local and they can help you out, you know, get certain security when you're coming to film here, because you need to get permission. Of course, if you have maybe a smaller camera, you could maybe get away with it, but just bear that in mind if you're coming to do filming here.
You see?
Yeah.
People stay here.
People live.
Yeah, people stay over here.
Close
they close.
Wow.
Close the boat.
Okay.
People stay here.
Okay.
I'm close there.
Right.
And it's sleeping there.
Could we go there, or we have to stop
Yeah, you call Baharia, no Baharia.
Baharia, yeah. So
Mavuvi.
okay. Yeah. The fishermen.
Yeah, fishermen.
Ukweli. Right.
Yes.
So basically, guys, what you're seeing there with the clothes and the boats, the fishermen actually live on these boats here. Okay, so this is what you're actually witnessing here. People actually live near the coastal side. Can we walk over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Or this is where we stop here?
Where is it?
We stop here?
No.
We can walk there?
Yeah, walk there.
Okay. So you can see the guy in the brown is actually my security. We met him when I came in here, and these are some of the things you'll have to be prepared for when you come to Tanzania and you're visiting some places. Some places you need certain permission to actually film. So just bear that in mind when you're filming the fish market area if you ever want to come and have that adventure. So my friend Abu Bakr was telling me that right here people actually live here. The fishermen, they live here, and that's their clothes that you can see hanging there on the boats. They make a little line with small ropes and then they hang their clothes there. So that's very interesting.
Stop there.
Yeah. So stop here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Like this.
Yeah.
Sleep there.
You can see people are even sleeping here in these boats. That's the shade. People come in and have a rest after a long day of work. You know, this is how it is here in Tanzania. So I'm going to end the live here, guys. I really appreciate your time for always coming back and watch my amazing videos, and I hope you found this experience quite insightful. I would like to know what a fish market is like in your country. Let me know if it reminds you of what you've seen here today. I appreciate your time. My name is Wemba Imani, and thank you for watching Inspire for Travel.